Players and buyers and liars are car salespeople, each working for the same dealership. This is an economic game, so the goal is to have the most money. The players share a common lot of cars separate from the dealership where actions occur, arranged in a 4x3 grid, ranging in basic features from C cars to more expensive feature-rich cars like the A cars. These cars all have characteristics ranging from its color to being prestigious. Customers enter the queue. The first customer, which is leftmost, costs no resources, while the further down the line to snag out of turn costs more resources, similar to Concordia. The customers each have specific demands for a car, ranging from economy to prestige and even their color. The goal is to match the customer with the car that overlaps their need. If a customer's economy rating is 4 out of 10, the car must be greater than or equal to initiate a sale. Otherwise, resources must be paid as part of the abstract haggling process. The players each have their own office they can pull customers to. It is here that they can spend resources to align the need and the car. This mechanism is also useful to deny opponents' customers. A player can even leave a customer in the office and run to collect resources, which abstracts talking to the manager. This incurs red tolerance cubes on the car for every additional action taken while the customer is still in the office, though these can be mitigated by giving them coffee, another resource in the game. Customers also can incur the same cubes when other customers are taking ahead of them in line. Each customer has a tolerance for how many of these cubes can be placed on them. Some are 1, some are 3, and too many cubes mean the customer walks. If this happens while the customer is in somebody's office, then that player incurs an in-game penalty. The game is played on a fixed board featuring 7 spaces. Players move 1 to 2 spaces ahead, though this can be boosted by paying coffee resources. The sales manager patrols the board, looking out to fix broken stations in the dealership, a result of salespeople selfishly emptying a station and taking a hit to their in-game score, and to catch salespeople socializing on the job, which is abstracted by players incurring an in-game penalty every time the manager lands on a space with more than 1 player pawn. Players must balance the need to collect resources against quickly getting back to help customers before players snag them.